Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be an unboxing video. So I got yesterday my monthly subscription beauty box, Boxycharm. So today let's do an unboxing video. Okay guys, yeah, I'm so excited. Hindi ko pa siya na-open, so and samahan niyo ako guys, open natin siya. Nakalimutan ko pala guys, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription beauty box for $20. So ito na siya guys, yung box. Open natin, baliktarin natin. Yan. I'm excited! Haven't opened it. And then we have this Boxy and Chill papers, and then all of the products they put it in here. And here we go guys, got this. Oh my god, so buksan na natin guys. I'm so excited. Nabuksan ko na pala. So let's start. Oh my god, Tarte High Performance Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3 Eyeshadow Palette. Ayan siya yung eyeshadow. Buksan natin guys. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Hala, ang ganda ng lagayan niya guys. Ayan siya. Ang ganda. Oh my god. Pag binuksan mo siya, oh my god, ang salamin. Uy. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ayan yung ano niya. Yan. Ang ganda ng kulay. Hey, so this is the first one guys. Ang ganda, oh my god. I'm gonna put the name of the product later on, and then the price as well. Oh, this is my favorite. I love this product. Brioggo Live-On Conditioning Spray. I love this product guys. Yan. So this is the second one. Reparative Live-In Conditioning Spray. Hala, ito ang ganda. Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick Havana Nights. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan guys. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ano nga natin? Swatch natin. Swatch natin guys kung anong ano niya. Let's do this side. Oh my god, ang ganda ng kulay. Ang ganda ng kulay. Ayan siya guys, oh. Ganda ng kulay. I'm so excited. Tapos yung ano, yung pang-apat, ito naman daw yung Black Ultra Luxy Longwear Eye Pencil. Oh, star look. Eye pencil siya guys. Black eye pencil. I don't know if I can open it. Buksan natin guys. Ang puti daw ng mukha ko da. Ayan na guys, buksan natin itong liquid pens, black eyeliner pencil. Ayan na, okay na yan. Ayan o, ang ganda. Ayan siya guys. Ayan. Try na nga natin din. Paano ba? Hala, umaba siya. Nasira ba to? Ayan, ganda rin siya oh. Ayan guys, yung black pencil eyeliner. Umaba siya. Ano ba to? Parang nasira na ata. But anyways, that's the fourth one. And next is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. I got 2 of this one. Anong sabi dito? So, ito daw, the retail price is $24 for this Tattoo Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. Nourish skin from within using this lightweight blend of rice, germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acid, and highly concentrated botanical oil and extract. Ooh. Each 2 ml of skin quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin health and radiance. Oh, for $20 for the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. And then this 30 limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. Oh my god, hindi ko nabasa. Dive into this vegan grease free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective blush, micro shimmer, matte nude that serve as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidant, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. So this is the retail price is $36 for this limited edition Rainforest of the Sea highlighting eyeshadow palette volume 3. And then this little guy too. Oh, I'm excited with this lipstick. Opera long-lasting liquid lipstick. This matte liquid lipstick delivers long-lasting color that perfectly outlines and fills in lips. The stunning pigments stay put all day with minimal transfer while maintaining the comfortable wear. Infused with vitamin E and antioxidant, your lips will be look and feel healthy all day. Ooh, I'm excited. So this little guy here is $20. The retail price is $20. And also this Briago Reparative Leave-In Conditioner Spray. Effectively restore your hair softness, malleability, moisture, and shine with Briago's, I don't know I pronounce it right, Rosarco Milk Spray, infused with a signature blend of Ulta nourishing rosehip, organ, and coconut oil. This spray works to undangle wet hair and protect against heat while locking in moisture, restoring luster, and diminishing frizz. Ooh! So this little guy here is retail price is $12. And what else? Oh, this is quite expensive though. This little guy here is quite expensive. So this is Starlook Luxy Longwear Eye Pencil. Starlook expand into a chemical eye pencil with a launch exclusive of Boxycharm. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. Oh. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use shamelessly easily without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. Oh, and then the retail price of this guys is $19. So I'm gonna put the total of this product I received this month for my monthly subscription beauty box from Boxycharm. So I'm excited with that. The lipstick, I like the color, it's so pretty. So I got how many items? So I got I think 5 items. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got 5 items for this monthly subscription box. So I'm I'm excited for the matte liquid lipsticks and also for this one. Look at the packaging, guys. So pretty. It's a Tarte eyeshadow palette. Ang ganda, guys. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Tsaka ayan yung lagayan niya. Ang ganda. I love it. So, I think that's it for this video, guys. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell button down below, and comment down below if you try a Boxycharm beauty box too, and just comment down below any comment. I can I'm okay with that. And yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on my next vlog, guys. Bye.